hometown and surrounding area. Tiger Talk is brought to you by... And good morning. Welcome to Tiger Talk. Tiger Talk brought to you by String Beans Coffee House on Lower Main in Princeton, Hancock's Neighborhood Market, Commerce Street in Katie's Delicious Homemade Goodness, and Perry's Floors and More. And a very good morning. Welcome to Tiger Talk at 8:05. And I'm very excited and delighted to welcome into the WPKY studios this morning Kayla Kukahiko. And she is a physical therapist with the brand new Fuller Physical Therapy. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Hey, I am just wonderful, and it's so nice to have you here on this pretty Tuesday. And we've got some exciting news to share with all the folks here in Princeton. Why don't we just jump right in and tell them about it?
We do, yes. I'm excited to be here this morning. Thanks for having us.
You're very welcome.
So I'm here to talk a little bit about the new clinic, Fuller Physical Therapy. Fuller Physical Therapy is a privately owned clinic. It's owned by Dr. Chris Fuller himself.
Okay.
Princeton is our fifth clinic. We have a clinic in Beaver Dam, Litchfield, Morgantown, Providence, and then now Princeton. So we are excited to be here in Princeton and serve Caldwell County and the surrounding counties. We did start seeing patients yesterday here in Princeton.
So you are open and ready to roll.
We are open and ready to roll. Yes. Not sure if we can help you, then I would encourage you to call. More than likely, we're going to say yes, or let us try to see if we can help you. But we do see a variety of things.
I was going to ask you, some of your patients, many of them are referred by a doctor, I'm sure.
Correct.
But you don't necessarily have to be referred by a doctor.
Yes, that's one of the great things about Fuller Physical Therapy is you don't have to have a doctor's referral as well.
You just walk in and get and recall, make an appointment,
yes,
and say, hey, I'm having this issue. I'd like to see a physical therapist or talk to you about my problem.
Right, that is correct. So no referral is needed. You can call and we can get you an appointment set up. And one of the things we also try to do as well is not make you wait. We try to get you in that day or the next day. We like to try to get you treated as soon as possible. I mean, you're in pain, you're hurting, and what we don't want to do is say, oh, well, we'll try to see you next week. So we try to get you in as soon as possible and get you taken care of.
Well, that is fantastic. And something really neat about Fuller Physical Therapy, when you go out there, you're going to see hometown folks and hometown smiles. You yourself are there. You've been in this area now. You're married to Daniel, who is the basketball coach, and then
Correct.
we have the other staff members include Michael Bly,
Yes.
hometown guy, and then Dana Dyer is out there as well.
Correct.
So nice, friendly faces and hometown faces when you walk into Fuller Physical Therapy on 62 West.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's a great thing. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your education, and your passion for physical therapy itself.
Sure. I'm originally from a small town, Hanover, Indiana.
Mm-hmm.
So Hanover College, that's how
Right.
most people associate Hanover. But so I'm a small town girl. I was born and raised in Hanover, Indiana. I did my undergraduate at Indiana University. I still get a hard time because I'm still a Hoosier fan. I still follow the Hoosiers.
Hey, Bobby Knight was cool.
Yeah. Right. And then I did my graduate school through the University of Kentucky, and I graduated there with my doctorate in physical therapy. So I have a little bit of experience in the nursing home. I've done inpatient, and I've done outpatient as well. Right. I really enjoy the outpatient setting. You get to see patients for a longer term rather than in the hospital. So you really get to build relationships with your patients.
Right.
You know, they've kind of become, part of your family. You see them 3 to 4 times a week, and usually they're there for a little bit of an extended period of time if they're recovering from surgery or something like that. So,
of course.
I love the interaction with the people, developing the relationship with the patients, and I love helping them return back to what they enjoy. Getting them out of the pain, getting them back to doing things they enjoy doing.
Yeah, try to put them back to where, and it goes a long way and it is a process.
Yes.
But you have the facility, you have the equipment to help them, and the knowledge, of course, to do it.
Yes.
I saw some pictures on Facebook of maybe some specialty equipment not everywhere has, not in the locations around here, and I think I saw some water therapy beds that are very nice.
Yes, we offer something that's called an aqua massage bed. We like to use that in conjunction with treatment, so it's not directly a part of your physical therapy treatment. It's something extra that we offer. What the aqua massage bed is, it's basically hydro jets that provide kind of pulsate and massage from your feet up to your neck, so it feels excellent.
Yeah.
A question that we sometimes get is, do you get wet? You don't get wet. You have your clothes on. It's really nice. It feels great. If you're a patient at Fuller Physical Therapy, you get to utilize the aqua massage bed for free. If you wanted to come in and just use, if you're not a patient there and just wanted to come in and use the aqua massage bed, it's $1 a minute. So you could do, 10 minutes for $10, 20 minutes for $20.
Wow.
But it feels great.
It's like a massage, isn't it?
Yes,
So it's
it
water
feels
jets.
good.
Yeah.
Yes, it feels really good. So, yes. Two, we often get asked if insurance covers it. Again, insurance doesn't cover it. If you're a patient, it's something we offer. If not, then you just pay for it. So, yeah, but it's nice.
That is pretty cool.
I'm trying to think what. Most of our therapists, actually all of our therapists, are certified in trigger point dry needling as well. So that's something we offer as well. Can
we let's just try to explain that over the radio.
Sure.
Trigger point dry needling?
Yes.
Okay.
It's called dry because you're not getting injected with anything, but a lot of times we use this thin filament needle and we put it directly in a tight band of muscle. Helps that muscle relax. It helps decrease pain, improve function. So
not necessarily acupuncture, but similar, right?
Similar, yeah. Different I guess, theories behind it.
It's not Chinese medicine necessarily like acupuncture is, or Oriental medicine. This is just a different theory, like you said.
Right. Yes.
What helps.
Yes, and that's something different that some therapy offices offer it, but ours, all of our therapists are certified in that, so that's something we offer as well. So yeah. That's
excellent.
Yeah.
It's nice to have an alternative. It's nice to have hometown faces, and it's nice to know that if you have an issue, that you're being cared for in a proper way, and you can be secure in knowing that you have a good, qualified, knowledgeable staff at Fuller Physical Therapy that can help you with your issue.
Absolutely, yes.
So let's talk about and shift to the big day, which is coming up March the 14th, I do believe, and that is your ribbon cutting with the Princeton-Caldwell County Chamber of Commerce, and kind of you're having an event to where you're having Subway sandwiches and tours of the facility and that sort of thing, and that's coming up on March the 14th, I do believe.
Yes, you are correct. So we encourage everyone to come out. You can meet the staff. You can tour the facility. We can answer any questions you may have, and like you mentioned, we'll have a light lunch. So, yes, we hope everyone attends. It's, like you said, March 14th at noon.
And, yeah, we definitely want you to come out and take a look at the wonderful facility. They've been working hard to get it ready, and it is open now Monday, Wednesday, Friday at this point as they build their patient caseload, and that is coming up. And so if you have any issues and would like to come out and see the folks at Fuller Physical Therapy, tell the folks how they can get in touch with you and get set up to come out.
Absolutely. You can call us. Let me look at our phone number here. I don't have it memorized. 270-365 5226.
Okay.
You can call there. You can also follow us on Facebook. We have a Facebook page.
Okay.
You can message us there. We're also on Google. You can search for us there as well. But probably the easiest way is to call or send us a Facebook message.
Okay.
Yeah, but we would be glad to answer any questions anyone may have.
Awesome. It's nice to see progress in Princeton. It's nice to see something new. And we just welcome Fuller Physical Therapy to the community, and so glad you're open, and we get to see wonderful hometown-friendly faces as we use your establishment. And I think the founder and president, Chris Fuller, will he be on hand at the opening on the 14th? You know if he's coming down?
I believe so, yes.
Okay.
I think
Didn't mean to put you on the spot.
That's okay. I'm assuming he's going to be there.
Yeah.
Yes, I think so.
So 5 locations now. Princeton is the 5th location.
That's
and,
correct.
And also locations in Beaver Dam, Litchfield, Morgantown, and Providence for Fuller Physical Therapy.
Yes.
Did we leave out anything?
I'm trying to think. One other question that we often get is, what kind of insurances do we
Yes,
accept?
let's talk about that.
And we do accept most insurances, and we
Okay.
are Provider Plus for Alliance Coal.
Okay.
So if you're not sure if we accept your insurance, then call us, because more than likely we're going to. I mean, we pretty much accept all insurances.
And you have someone there that can run that pretty timely and make sure that
we can let
that procedure or information is covered by the insurance company.
Yes.
Well, that is fantastic, and we wish you all the best of luck and success at Fuller Physical Therapy. Again, it's at their location at 2072 US 62 West in Princeton. So you go on out like you're going toward the old Hancock's Grocery, and it's there on the right-hand side. It's the old church that's out there, and they've got it looking great. You can see the signage out there for Fuller Physical Therapy, and we encourage you to give them a call and give them a try if you have issues, as Dr. Kukahiko mentioned, and they would love to see you out there at Fuller Physical Therapy.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and best of luck to you all. If we can do anything for you here at WPKY, if you have events, if you have information that we need to get out, we'll be glad to get it to the public.
We appreciate it. Thank
we wish you best of luck. All right, that is going to wrap up this portion of Tiger Talk at 8:16 this morning. My thanks to Dr. Kayla Kukahiko. She is a physical therapist out at the new Fuller Physical Therapy, 2072 US 62 West in Princeton. It's a new business here in town, and it's a full-service physical therapy office. They have some really great features and some really great hometown smiles and folks out there. Be sure you check them out. We will be back. We will transition. We've got Steve Asher in studio. He's going to talk about his new book, and it's Hauntings from the Western Kentucky Lunatic Asylum, and that is coming up. It's very interesting, and Steve Asher will be in studio here in just a few minutes. We're going to take a break, and we'll be back on Tiger Talk here in your hometown radio station, WPKY The Tiger. My thanks to Dr. Kayla Kukahiko from Fuller Physical Therapy. To order espresso drinks. Stop by Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to noon and enjoy a pick-me-up. You can also enjoy fresh baked scones, homemade chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin cookies, and espresso brownies that'll keep you going all day long. They're also open on Saturday from 9 to 2. Stream Beans Coffee House on Lower Main in Princeton. Great coffee and more in a great atmosphere on Lower Main in downtown Princeton. Hancock's Neighborhood Market on Commerce Street in Cadiz is the place to shop for delicious homemade goodness. Hancock's makes their own fresh chicken salad, pimento cheese, salads, and a variety of mouth-watering desserts sure to please your entire family. While at Hancock's, be sure to visit their meat department for the best selection of USDA choice meats and